Hello everyone, how are you all? Everyone fine? I am also doing great. Today once again I am in front of you all with a very important doubt which normally a student will ask before exam. The doubt is regarding discounting factor. Can I say most of the FR question we need to use present value? For present value, can I say we need to calculate discount factor? Now discount factors should be taken at 2 decimal, 3 decimal, 4 decimal or entire decimal. This is a doubt. Normally when you see ICAI solution, in some of the question they have taken what 2 decimal, in some of the question they have taken 3 decimal, 4 decimal or what entire decimal as per their choice. Now doubt will come, sir, what we should follow, because can you see if you take entire decimal the answer will be different, as if you have calculated with 4 decimal or 3 decimal or 2 decimal, that there will be some difference. So whether we will be given marks for that, that is the doubt. Correct. So we are discussing this point about the discounting factor. So from my point we just try to understand what we should do from examination point of view. If discounting factor is given in the question, if given the question, use the discounting factor given the question only, means you can't now calculate and use discounting factor as calculated by you. Even though it is wrong, use the discounting factor given in the question. Understood? So if given the question, use that only. Even though it is wrong, I will say don't change the discounting factor as given by the question. Correct. But if not given the question, doubt will come. So can you say you can take either 3 decimal or 4 decimal for rounding off. But whatever you are taking, just write down that in your exam solution. Means suppose you are taking 0.909. So write down 0.909 for 10% discounting factor for 1 year. If you are taking 0.9091, just write down 0.9091. Correct. Now if you want the entire, just write down the entire decimal, but whatever you are taking, write down that. Believe me, if you are writing down that, then no one can deduct marks. Correct. Are you getting what I am saying? To from my point of view, question is silent. I will say that you can use either 3 decimal or 4 decimal. Now whatever you are using, just write down where, write down what in your exam solution. Understood? Got it? Yes sir. Have you understood? Thank you very much. Once again we'll meet you with a next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, enjoy your remaining day. Bye bye.